Hello, my name is Heather McArthur, and I'm the clinical director of the breast cancer program at UT Southwestern in Dallas, Texas. And I recently had the privilege of attending the Saint Gallen International Breast Cancer Conference. This is a really interesting meeting that has been in effect since 1978. The backbone of the foundation is its largest project, which is known as the biannual Saint Gallen International Breast Cancer Conference. It was founded by Professor Sen in 1978. It's a somewhat unique conference in that it ends traditionally with a consensus session that builds on the base of the update from the St. Gallen Consensus Guidelines and Recommendations. So in this forum, an international group of scientists represented in the consensus panel writes up the consensus of around 50 international breast cancer specialists from most continents. The consensus is rapidly published as the St. Gallen Guideline for the optimal treatment of patients with early breast cancer in the prestigious scientific journal Annals of Oncology, and reaches out to breast cancer specialists all over the world. A few years ago, the meeting got larger than could be accommodated in St. Gallen, and it now occurs every other year in Vienna, Austria, which is where it took place last month in 2023. It's worth noting that there were some very special honors that were conferred on the first day of the meeting. The Foundation Council of St. Gallen Oncology Conference honored Professor Giuseppe Vialli, who is a very highly regarded pathologist from Italy. He was awarded for his extraordinary contribution in research and practice development in the treatment of individuals with breast cancer. And that was an award that was presented on March 15th, 2023. So a very, very well-deserved honor for this gentleman. He's the first pathologist to receive this award, in fact. He added his scientific and professional perspective to provide truly interdisciplinary discussions for the benefit of the best treatment of individuals with early breast cancer, and was awarded for those significant contributions. Another major honor that was conferred at this meeting was the ESO Umberto Veronese Memorial Award. This was awarded this year to Professor Benjamin Anderson and was presented on March 15th, 2023. Dr. Anderson is affiliated with the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center in Seattle, Washington, but more recently has worked with the World Health Organization and gave a really incredible presentation about the efforts undertaken by the World Health Organization on behalf of patients with cancer. The program is also notable for what they call the St. Gallen's Breast Cancer Care Academy. This is a series of didactic lectures and panel discussions ranging in topic from the first session, which was how to avoid unnecessary mastectomies, which was a global discussion, but there were many other interesting sessions, including a session on transcriptomics, ctDNA for disease monitoring and risk stratification, applications of immunology in early breast cancer, hereditary breast cancer, and some futuristic discussions about the landscape in general. So it was a very dynamic discussion with an internationally regarded panel of breast cancer experts, and the results of the consensus proceedings, which took place at the end of the meeting, should be available in publication in the Annals of Oncology very shortly. Thank you so much.